mag-unbox tayo ng ganitong half liter for my fur babies na tatlong pusa. And this is from TikTok shop. So, let's do some unboxing. Balak na balak siya, guys. Ang tiis na nga pa ang cutter. Kaya nahihirapan ako. Mag-unbox. Gusto ka ba? And tada! Ito yung cat litter na linulito. It is Tofu X from Tofu X cat litter food grade plant Tofu residue. And yung kulay niya is peach. Tapos nakalagay dito sa baba is Now Fresh, Water Update, and Easy Not. 6 liters po siya. Then, may naman, instructions sa likod. Babasahin ko. Cat litter is made of food grade raw materials and scientific process formula. Vegetable raw materials harmless to people and pets, such as pets eat them mistake. Need not worry. It is harmless to the environment. The product has fresh smell, low dust, fast water absorption, and easy agglomeration. Pour it into the toilet after use. It can dissolve quickly and flush away. Ingredients niya is tofu residue, starch, boil down. Ito yung instructions. Please keep this product in a food and dry place. Vacuum packaging is only for pressed volume. In the process of transportation, air leakage may occur, not quality problems. Cat cleaning supplies avoid children eating them instead. Eating is harmless but not edible products. Tapos ito yung instructions sa likod pa. Pour the cat litter into the cat litter basin and stir it flat. Keep in the thickness of 2 to 3 cm. Clean out the clumps of cat litter in the cat litter basin regularly. Put the clean cat litter into the toilet and flush it away. The cat litter is replaced once a month and the cat litter basin is disinfected. So, maya-maya lalagay ko na ito doon. And first time nila gamamit ng cat litter. Kasi mostly ang ginagamit nila is yung black sand. Kasi madami dito sa bahay. So, yun lang. And product review will be on my Facebook page. See you later. Bye-bye!